Why do animals experience fear based on neurobiology? Imagine a tiny alarm system inside an animal's brain that goes off whenever danger is nearby. That's essentially what fear is from a neurobiological point of view. Animals have evolved these systems to help them survive in a world full of threats. When they sense danger, their brains trigger a series of responses that prepare them to fight, run away, or freeze in place. This reaction isn't random. It's driven by specific parts of the brain working together. The main player is the amygdala, a small almond-shaped structure deep inside the brain. It acts like a threat detector, constantly scanning for signs of danger from what the animal sees, hears, or feels. When the amygdala perceives a threat, it sends signals to other parts of the brain like the hypothalamus and brainstem. These signals cause physical reactions such as an increased heart rate, faster breathing, or muscle tension. These responses help the animal react quickly to avoid harm. Fear learning is another important part of this process. When an animal experiences something scary, like a loud noise or a sudden movement, the brain links that experience to the stimulus that caused it. For example, if a dog hears a loud bang and then gets startled, the brain remembers that sound as something to be cautious of in the future. This learning relies on changes in the connections between neurons, especially in the amygdala. These changes make the fear response stronger over time if the animal keeps encountering the same threat. This is why animals can become fearful of certain objects or situations after just one or two bad experiences. Other brain areas also help regulate fear. The hippocampus provides context, helping animals remember where they felt fear. If a cat was scared in a particular room, the hippocampus helps recall that location. The prefrontal cortex can help control or suppress fear responses when the animal recognizes that the threat is no longer present. This balance between fear and safety is vital for animals to learn when to be cautious and when to relax. For people working in animal care, understanding this neurobiology is key. When animals show signs of fear or stress, it's often linked to their brain's threat detection system. Using fear-free training principles, professionals can create environments that avoid triggering these fear circuits. Gradual exposure and positive reinforcement help animals learn that certain stimuli are safe. Recognizing that fear is rooted in brain responses allows trainers and caregivers to handle animals gently and patiently, reducing stress and building trust. In short, animals experience fear because their brains have specialized circuits designed to protect them. The amygdala and related brain regions work together to detect danger, produce quick responses, and help animals learn from their experiences. Knowing how this neurobiological system works helps us care for animals better and support their emotional well-being.